What if I told you that the next generation of SUVs won't just be fast? They'll redefine what speed even feels like. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo EV is here, and it's not just another electric SUV. It's a statement. A machine that blends raw power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Porsche DNA into something that feels almost unreal. And trust me, this is not what you expect from an electric vehicle. Let's start with what matters most: performance. The Cayenne Turbo EV doesn't whisper into the electric era. It explodes into it. Instant torque hits the moment you touch the pedal. No delay, no hesitation, just pure acceleration that pins you back into your seat. We're talking supercar-level speed in a full-size SUV. 0 to 60 happens in what feels like a blink. And the craziest part, it does it silently. No roaring engine, no drama, just smooth, relentless force. This is where things get interesting. Because unlike traditional performance SUVs, the power delivery here feels controlled, precise, almost surgical. It's not just fast, it's intelligent, and that changes everything. Take one look at the 2026 Cayenne Turbo EV and you instantly know what it is. This is Porsche. The silhouette remains bold and muscular, but there's a sharper edge now, cleaner lines, more aerodynamic intent. Every curve serves a purpose. The front end is aggressive, yet refined. The LED lighting signature feels futuristic without losing that iconic identity. And from the side, it carries that powerful stance. Wide, planted, confident. Here's the thing. Electric SUVs often lose character. They become too minimal, too generic. This doesn't. The Cayenne Turbo EV still feels alive. It still feels like it has a heartbeat. Step inside, and the story continues. The cabin is a perfect mix of luxury and technology. You're surrounded by premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, precision finishes. But it's the tech that really stands out. A fully digital cockpit wraps around the driver. Displays are crisp, responsive, and intuitive. Everything feels exactly where it should be. And yes, it still feels like a Porsche. Driver-focused, clean, purposeful. There's no clutter, no unnecessary distractions, just pure driving environment. But don't get too comfortable just yet, because the real magic is happening underneath. This is where the Cayenne Turbo EV separates itself from everything else on the road. Dual electric motors, advanced battery architecture, intelligent power distribution, all working together in perfect harmony. The result? Unbelievable traction, instant response, and a driving experience that adapts to you. Push it hard and it becomes aggressive, sharp, ready to attack corners. Drive it calmly and it transforms, smooth, silent, effortless. This dual personality is what makes it special. And here's something you might not expect. It doesn't feel heavy. Electric SUVs usually carry that weight. You feel it in corners, you notice it when braking. But here, Porsche has done something different. The balance is incredible, the handling is precise. It feels smaller than it actually is, and that gives you confidence. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about, range. The 2026 Cayenne Turbo EV is built for real life. Long drives, daily commutes, weekend escapes. You're not constantly thinking about charging, and when you do need to charge, it's fast. Very fast. High-speed charging capability means you can go from low to ready in a fraction of the time compared to older EVs. This is not an experiment. This is a fully realized electric performance SUV, and it fits into your life seamlessly. Here's the truth. Driving this car doesn't just feel different, it changes your expectations. Once you experience instant torque like this, traditional engines start to feel slow. Once you feel the precision of electric power delivery, gear shifts feel outdated, but at the same time, you don't lose the emotion. That's the key. Porsche managed to keep the soul alive. You still feel connected, you still feel engaged, you still feel excited every time you get behind the wheel. And that's something most electric cars struggle with. This isn't just another model release. The Cayenne Turbo EV represents a shift. A moment where performance, sustainability, and innovation finally meet without compromise. It proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up excitement. It proves that SUVs can still be thrilling. And most importantly, it proves that the future of driving might actually be better than the past. So here's the question. Are you ready for a world where electric SUVs outperform supercars? Because that world is already here. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo EV isn't just keeping up with the future, it's leading it. And if this is what Porsche can do now, imagine what's coming next. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see more next-gen performance machines like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because